Oh my god. I will never finish this. Somebody's going to buy a new iPhone here. Damn. I was looking forward the whole week to watch Stranger Things tonight. But you want that iPhone. Focus, Thangys. Focus. Let's go. So cute. The assets are ready. Let's generate combinations. Change the head accessory, then the color of the ghost and its eyes, and lastly the color of glowing tubes. And render. Still 9,900 to go. This will take forever. What? What the hell? Use the RAPTOR. The assets are ready. Let's generate combinations. Raptor. I want 10,000 combinations. And let's generate. Oh wow, it's done.